y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. And I'm sure y'all know why I say what we eating is because every single day my children ask what we eating every single day. So I'm gonna show you what we eating. I'm sure y'all hear my dog out there barking, but it's okay. I'm sure y'all have pets too. A lot of us do. All right, so today I'm just gonna make something quick. It's not a meal, but I'm making old-fashioned chewy oatmeal cookies. All right, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And on a large baking sheet, you want to have parchment, align it with parchment paper and just set it aside. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. I'm recording by myself right now, but I have it over here sitting to the side, okay? So in a large bowl, what I want to do, I have 2 sticks of butter and it's already room temperature. I left it sitting out all day. So I'm just gonna put 2 sticks of butter in here in my large bowl, and I'm just gonna beat my butter and sugars until fully mixed. So this butter is good and soft. So 2 sticks of unsalted butter. As long as it's unsalted, it doesn't matter what type of butter it is. Alright, so I have my butter in my bowl. So now what I want to do is add both of my sugars. So I'm going to add a half a cup of packed brown sugar and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that together really good. Okay, so next what you want to do is mix in 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I'm going to go ahead and 1 large egg there. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add it in here. 1. And there's 2. I think that was a little less than 2. I'm gonna get some more. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little splash of vanilla here. And then we're gonna blend this up until it's well blended. Do is combine my flour and cinnamon. So here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm just gonna put that in there. So you're gonna do 1 2/3 cup of flour, and that's the 2/3. So I did 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. So now I want to add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're gonna come over here and get this. It's gonna be 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon. Add my cinnamon there. Now I'm going to add some baking soda, and that's going to be 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, 1/8 of baking powder, and 1/8 of ground nutmeg. Up really good. You see how it's making it kind of doughy? You want to make sure you get all your flour mixture in really good. Alright y'all, so now what you want to do is add 1 1/2 cup of quick cooking oats. So I'm just going to do my 1 1/2 cup, and I'm just gonna gently, stir that all in together just like this. Just make sure it mixes in that dough really good. Y'all, so now that this is all mixed up, I hope y'all can see that. I'm just gonna take my little ice cream scooper, and I'm just gonna scoop a little bit of this out here, just like that, and I'm just gonna place it down on there, just like that. Make a little bit bigger than golf size balls. You can make them as big or as little as you want. So these old-fashioned chewy oatmeal cookies are ready to go into the oven, and I'm going to place these in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. All right, y'all, so these old-fashioned chewy oatmeal cookies have been cooling on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. So all I want to do now is just take these and let them completely cool over here on my little wire rack. So these are now going to cool on my wire rack, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get the rest of this batter cooked up, and we'll be almost done. All right, y'all, so these old-fashioned chewy oatmeal cookies are done, and they're ready to go. I'm gonna place these down real quick, and I'm gonna take one of these. Let's see. They are soft and chewy and good. Okay. As always, I want to thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, bye.